Hi, a big welcome to all my fellow mandala enthusiasts. Today, I will be demonstrating how to create a mandala on a 6-inch board. To start, I am applying a base coat of black paint and allowing it to dry completely. After it has dried completely, using the center point as a grid, I am drawing concentric circles, ensuring all the circles are equidistant. Here, I'm using the protractor to draw the innermost circle. Next, I am marking points for the grid with a protractor. Now, using a ruler, I'm joining the points, ensuring all the lines pass through the center. Now, onto the painting process. For this mandala, I am using vibrant colors like yellow, ochre, green, and white. Beginning with the central yellow dot, I will add intricate details like tiny dots around it, allowing some creative variation along the way. As you just noticed, I just placed the dot wrongly, so I am clearing it up using a moist Q-tip and placing the dot correctly. Feel free to improvise your design as you go along, gradually bringing it to completion. Next, I'm placing green dots in the second round. Mandala is a therapy helpful for processing emotions, managing mental health issues, and promoting overall well being. Now, using a dotting tool, I will create delicate swooshes. These swooshes may require practice for perfection. Finding the perfect consistency of the paint is the key to achieving flawless swooshes. Not to forget, in case of not so perfect swooshes, a moist Q-tip helps correct it before placing the right one. In the following round, larger white swooshes will adorn the mandala, adding in the depth. As we are moving ahead, remember that crafting mandalas isn't just about final product. It's a therapeutic practice that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Engaging in the process encourages us to be present in the moment, fostering a deeper sense of awareness. The repetitive nature of mandala design keeps us focused and sharpens our concentration, enhancing our cognitive skills along the way. Now, here I'm placing ochre dots using a dowel. And you can see the circle is slightly bent on one side. So I will use the moist Q-tip here again and clear a few dots and place them again. The tools I'm using here are all purchased from Amazon. Leave me a comment if you want me to attach the link of the products in the description. Yet again, we are placing white swooshes around the green dots. Now we are placing slightly bigger yellow swooshes. Repetition is the key to mastering any skill. So keep practicing these swooshes until you are satisfied with the result. As we go further, the size of the swooshes will gradually increase. So here we are using the next round of swooshes which are slightly bigger than the previous one. The right technique to draw these swooshes is to place a dot and just glide the dotting tool around the dot. Here comes yet another larger swoosh in ochre. Here is where the magic happens. Experimentation. Feel free to explore different styles, techniques, and color combination to unleash your creativity. I'm placing tiny white dots in between these beautiful swooshes. Now, as we near completion, let's add some final touch-ups, filling any remaining space with delicate dots and swooshes. I'm adding the final few touch-ups before we are done with the design. Isn't it looking beautiful, guys? Now time to add a few dots so that you can fill up the space. Now once a masterpiece is complete and the paint has dried, a gentle wipe clears away the grid lines. I use a wet wipe to wipe them off. You can also use a moist soft cloth and the result would be the same. A gentle wipe and all the grid lines are gone. Now, a protective coat of varnish ensures our mandala remains vibrant and preserved for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, happy creating. Thank you for watching.